Hi! In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 6, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting one of your chats. Then tap on this plus at the bottom left corner. Now select Files category, and you can code one of your files right away from here. Tap on one of those apps, or select those three lines at the top left corner, and hit one of those sources. Wherever you do, click on Audio and Videos filters at the top. Lastly, just hold your file and tap on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my audio file was successfully added to text message. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!